Mr. Speaker, in closing, if I may say, while we've been working night and day to fight coronavirus, I have often drawn inspiration from our fight against another killer pandemic of HIV, a disease that also took too many people before their time. And this is HIV Test Week. It's a reminder of how important it is to get your free HIV test. But it's also a reminder of the progress we've made in tackling that terrible pandemic, that we can credibly commit to no new transmissions by the end of this decade. And today I'm sure the whole House will join me in wishing Lord Norman Fowler a very happy 83rd birthday. He was an inspirational former Health Secretary, a fearless advocate for tackling HIV and AIDS. Lord Fowler is someone who knows the importance of taking action early and the power of testing to turn the tide. So as we face these difficult weeks ahead, we can all draw inspiration from that great struggle, that even when faced with a mountain of challenges, science, ingenuity and the sheer power of will can see us to better days ahead. And I commend this statement to the House.
Shadow Secretary of State, Jonathan Ashworth.
Mr. Speaker, and grateful as always to the Secretary of State for advance sight of his statement. And can I thank you, Mr. Speaker, for putting in place the arrangements for testing on the estate. I'm sure members and crucially staff on the estate are extremely grateful for that initiative. This is indeed HIV testing week. And over the weekend, I binge-watched It's a Sin. And I was in tears. Mr. Speaker. Now, thankfully, HIV is not a death sentence today. People living with HIV are in phase 6 for vaccination, but only if they have disclosed their HIV status to their GP. Many haven't and still don't want to because of the stigma we saw portrayed in It's a Sin. So will he ensure that people living with HIV are able to access vaccination at their HIV clinic?